just finished watching. What's this? Bring Her Back. Ah, I don't know what should I'm gonna say about this movie, but mixed reactions, mixed emotions. But before that, I just wanna thank the Lord for all the blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Vico Abordo, Helen Corretto, and to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to each and every one of you, and to all my Facebook viewers as well, to all my viewers who never get I already said that. To each and every one of you, and to all my viewers, okay? And Ate Tabita, hi. Hold on, I'll just take a pee. Hold on. Stay tuned and please don't make some fast forward, okay? This will not take so much of your time. Oh my gosh, where are we? Hold on. Just take a burger. You know what? I didn't expect that the movie is some kind of like that, but I'm not gonna tell you or divulge what the story being all about. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm done. So let's now proceed outside. Hold on. Oh gosh. Wait. You know what? I thought this is a young lady. I mean, full-blown lady, but it's not. She's a young one. And what's this? Guys, I can concentrate. The first 40 minutes of this movie is some kind of a mixed reactions and actually it's not totally mixed, but it's a whole combination of hold on, a combination of slow paced and oh gosh, I think I'm not gonna slow pace, and sometimes it's some kind of interesting, sometimes it's some kind of a you will jump at the edge of your seat, and sometimes it's you will have a mind-blowing one, and you will guess what should be happens next, and but totally below expectations for the first 40 hours, and there are some highlights and there are some scary ones and very disturbing, and what's this? And I didn't shout that much. I think I only shout 3 times, and it's not that kind of loud. Very disturbing. This is a very disturbing movie. So if you have this kind of guts, or you have this what's this? You have this kind of fighting spirit, or you have the nerve and you have the you have the nerve and you have this kind of what's this the challenge to hold on, sorry.